I am M. Prashant from ECC section. Now I am going to describe about my project. This is CNC Plotter. First I explain about this circuits. This is stepper motors. In this CNC Plotter it has two stepper motors and one servo motor. These two stepper motors are used to control the x-axis and y-axis, and this servo motor controls the z-axis. In this servo motor we connected the pin, and this is Arduino which is connected to CNC Plotter. Why we use the CNC Plotter means the three motors are controlled at a time by using the CNC shield. CNC shield is used to control three motors at a time. So you use the CNC shield which is connected with Arduino. The code is get from the PC to the Arduino. Then it gives a command to the CNC shield. This CNC shield controls the three motors at a time. Depends upon the G code. The G code has a arithmetic values which controls the motors at if it is example, if it y-axis motor is high, means the y-axis motor will be move from front and back. Okay, depends upon the G code which is get from the PC. Now I am going to explain about the description of this project. This is CNC Plotter which plots the diagram. In the CNC Plotter the input is get from the PC. The plotting mechanism is done under the three motors. There are two stepper motors and one servo motors. The stepper motor controls the x and y axis. Then the servo motor controls the z axis. The CNC Plotter runs under the axis control. The input is get from the PC. The Arduino is connected to the PC to get inputs. Then the software called BenBox which pairs with Arduino to transfer data. We want to give an image to the BenBox which converts the image into G code. G code is nothing but an arithmetic code. In this image we have some empty spaces and drawn spaces. The drawn spaces are called as high values and empty spaces are called as null values. So the image is converted into an arithmetic values. Then the G code is directly sent to the Arduino. The Arduino controls the CNC shield because the motors are connected with the CNC shield. Here the three motors are connected with the CNC shield. So the code is given to the Arduino. The Arduino will give the commands to the CNC shield which controls these three motors to draw an image. Then it will move the CNC axis and plot the diagram related to the G code. Through this port we connect this Arduino to the PC by this port. Then we want to connect with software, pair with software. Then the image is given to the software. The software converts this G code and directly give to the Arduino. Then with the process is done as similar I explained it.
This is BenBox software. In the software we want to give an image. That image is converted into an G code. First we want to click into an import file option. Then we want to add the image. Then we want to size the image. We want to resize the image. If the image is greater than 50 means we want to 50 centimeters means we want to decrease into 4.5 or 45 meter, that like that. We want to resize the image and click the play button. It may draw the image. That image is converted to G code and sent to it, and the CNC Plotter draw the image. And this is the axis control. Axis control is x-axis, y-axis. We want to set the values for that, which is depends upon the CNC Plotter size. First, you want to measure the x-axis of the CNC Plotter and y-axis of the CNC Plotter, which is a CNC Plotter has a stepper motor, x-axis motor and y-axis motor. We want to take the measurements of the x-axis motor, which able to move from 0 to what length. We want to take the measurement of the motor length. Then we want to give the value to it. Then we want to click after settings. We want to click OK. These settings will be stored as a default settings, and then it starts to draw the diagram. Now I am going to give the Puma image to the BenBox software. That software go to the software and import the file. Then I'm give the Puma image. Then it converts the Puma image into a G code. Then it give to the CNC plotter through Arduino. Then it starts drawing. I'm show the output of the CNC plotter. Now I'm going to give an Puma image to the Benbox software. It converts the Puma image into G code. This is the G code. What I'm said before is this is G code which converts the image into an arithmetic code. This code is fetched from the image. Depends upon the image, null values and pointed values are converted into numerical values and make as a single code is called as a G code. That G code is given to the Arduino. Then it starts plotting the diagram.